VarageSale is a popular online marketplace that connects buyers and sellers of second-hand goods in their local communities. With its user-friendly app and website, VarageSale makes it easy for individuals to buy and sell items such as furniture, electronics, clothing, and more. The platform offers a variety of features to enhance the buying and selling experience, including secure messaging, real-time notifications, and the ability to schedule pickups or deliveries. VarageSale's focus on local transactions also helps to reduce shipping costs and promote sustainable consumption by keeping items in circulation within the community. Overall, VarageSale is a convenient and eco-friendly alternative to traditional retail options for those looking to buy or sell gently used items. The VarageSale Marketplace affiliate program allows website owners and content creators to earn commissions by promoting VarageSale's online marketplace to their audiences. By signing up for the program, affiliates receive a unique referral link that they can share on their websites, blogs, or social media platforms. When a user clicks on the link and makes a purchase on VarageSale, the affiliate earns a commission on the sale. This is a great opportunity for affiliates to monetize their traffic and promote a popular online marketplace to their audiences. To create a store on VarageSale's marketplace, follow these simple steps. 1. Sign up for a free account on VarageSale's website. 2. Click on the Sell tab and select Create Store. 3. Fill out your store information, including your business name, logo, and contact details. 4. Choose a store category that best fits your products. 5. Set up your payment and shipping methods. 6. Add your products to your store by clicking on the Add Item button and filling out the necessary details such as price, description, and condition. 7. Once you've added all your products, click on the Publish Store button to make it live on the VarageSale Marketplace. 8. Promote your store by sharing it on social media, inviting friends to follow you, and participating in local community groups on VarageSale. 9. Keep an eye on your sales and customer feedback to improve your store and products over time.